What is this chapter name? Golu grows a nose. There was a time when the elephant had no trunk. Golu, a baby elephant with a bulgy nose, is full of questions. He goes to the Limpopo river to find out more about the crocodile's eating habits. अच्छा, long ago the elephant had no trunk. এটা বন্ধ कर दो. Elephant had no trunk. ତାଙ୍କର trunk ନଥିଲା. ଶୁଣ୍ଢ ନଥିଲା. He had only a bulgy nose. Bulgy ମାନେ ବଡ nose ଥିଲା. आज भी क्या जे a boot. ହେଲା? Boot ଭଳିଆ. He could wiggle it from side to side, but couldn't pick up things with it. ତାକୁ ଖାଲି ବୁଲେଇ ପାରୁଥିଲା, ହେଲା? Could not pick up ମାନେ ଉଠେଇବା. There was a baby elephant called Golu. He too had no trunk, but only a bulgy nose, as small as a small boot. Golu was full of questions. He asked his tall aunt. Aunt माने कौन? The ostrich. ହେଲା? Ostrich माने कौन? उट्ट पक्षी. Why don't you ever fly like other birds? पचारला तुमने कभी तो उड़ूना. Then he asked his tall uncle. I would a tall uncle, giraffe. Okay, what makes your skin so spotty? Spot माने कौन? चिन्ह. He asked his huge uncle, the hippopotamus. Hippopotamus माने कौन? जलहस्ती. Okay, why are yours always so red? Hello? Sorry, why are your eyes? Why are your eyes? He asked his hairy uncle. Okay, the baboon. Baboon माने कौन? ये माकड़ भलिया, हैला? Hairy. तारा कौन? लुमो बहुत. Why do melons? कौन? अच्छा, taste like melons. The ostrich, the giraffe, the hippopotamus, the baboon had no answer to Golu's questions. Hello? Golu is a naughty baby, they said. He asked such difficult questions. One day Golu met the Mina bird sitting in the middle of a bush. And he asked her, what does the crocodile have for dinner? Hello? What does the crocodile have? मैंने कहा कौन खाती? The Mina said, go to the banks of the great grassy Limpopo river and find out. सेठी कौन खाती तू जानिबू. किए कौन खाती? crocodile. ହେଲା? ତେଣୁ great grassy Limpopo river. ହେଲା? Golu went home. He took 100 sugar canes. ହେଲା? इतने से खाए. ହେଲା? 50 dozen bananas and 25 melons. Melon में जो पानी को खारो. हाँ. Melon, watermelon then same type. Then he said to his family goodbye. I am going to the great grassy Limpopo river. I will find out what the crocodile has for dinner. He had never seen a crocodile. आगुर crocodile देखिने and didn't know what one looked like. केमती देखिया कुछ जानी नहीं. What one looked like. Okay. He met a python and asked him, a sapota, have you ever seen a crocodile? What does he look like? What does he have for dinner? And Pochala. The python uncoiled himself from the branch. Uncoil कौन जानिଛୁ? Coil माने गुड़े हवा. Uncoil माने बाहर की असला है ना? Coil जान तारो गुड़े हवा. Himself from the branch of a tree, but said nothing. Golu politely helped him to coil around the branch, again, and said goodbye to him. Python uncoiled himself from the branch of a tree, but said nothing. से एमती से जानी पाइलानी क्वेश्चन टा से तळକୁ ଆସିଲା रे किंतु कर पारलानी गोलू कोन कला ताको हां गोलू मूव्ड ऑन eating sugar canes, bananas and melons. After a few days he reached the very edge of a edge means कोन edge माने पूरा लास्ट हैला edge of the great grassy Limpo river. सेठी जाई पहुंचला. On the bank of the river he saw a log of wood. You know log? खंड गोटे बड़ जो काठ खंड बड़ बड़ काठ खंड कटा ही नए. It was really the crocodile who winked at him. Winked कौन? Excuse me. Okay, said Golu. Golu ताको कहला, have you ever seen a crocodile? हैला ए काठ खंडटा एक्चुअली क्रोकोडाइल हैला विंग. अच्छा, the crocodile winked again and lifted half his tail out of the mud. Come here, little one, said the crocodile. Why do you ask such questions? से पचारला. से ताकू खोजुची माने से आउरी आउट के एंग्शियस हे गला हैला. लिफ्टेड कोन पाखु को उठेबा. लिफ्टेड कोन उठेबा हैला. लिफ्ट केबे मागिनु की ये लिफ्ट मागिनु बाटरे lifted उठेवा. So half his tail out of the mud. Come here, little one, said the crocodile. Why do you ask such questions? I want to know. हैला से कहला गोलू कहला I want to know. से पुणी कहला crocodile, come close, little one, for I am the crocodile. अरे मु तो crocodile. And he shed crocodile tears. Shed कौन बाहर करवा. shed माने छाईनु. shed माने कौन बाहर करवा. shed crocodile tears to show it was quite true. crocodile tears कोटे वार्ड अछि हैला माने कुंभीर कांदणा माने मिछुटारे कांदुथो. बुझ पालो नै कोडा he said माने से बाहर कला हैला से तार पकेला. said माने पके हैला ए गछरु पत्र पड़िबा सेटा कहंदी said. the tree said हैला एठी से एटा पकेला. Golu was afraid, but he sat down on the bank and said, you are the very person I was looking for. Looking for माने कौन? very person माने कौन? तू सही ठीक लोको याकु मु खोजुची. looking for माने कौन? देखिबा नु खोजिबा मु बारंबार कहूची खोजिबा. Please tell me what you have for dinner. हैला प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट यू हैव फॉर डिनर. तू डिनर रे कौन खाइबू हैला. कम हियर लिटिल वन and I will whisper लिखिबनी कौन हाँ 100टा वर्ड लिखियो केते समय लगे तो जति भाबुछु सेति काम जदि करंतु बहुत किछ होता तू 100टा रो मोर 50टा देखा 80टा देखा किछि काम न करी खाली कहलो हो come here little one and I will whisper the answer to you हैला तुमके बाड़ो जेडी बाड़ो ना कहू तू करन कि अति बेसी के बस उठो come here little one I will whisper the answer से कहला मु whisper करी कहली whisper नहीं चिल्ले उल्टा टा कहू whisper माने फुसफुस कहया हैला the answer to you said the crocodile Golu put his head down close to the crocodile's snout and the crocodile caught him by the nose ताकू से nose रु धइला हाँ होची रे पडुचे ताकू से ता nose रु धइ गिरे आनला हला हैं बुझि पाछो crocodile रो snout पाकू नेला ता नाक पाकू हैं ये ताकू एटु धइला हैं I think said the crocodile today baby elephant will be my dinner है से कहला तो कहला संगे संगे कहला टुडे तू डिनर कथा कहतुल तो मोर गोटे डिनर लेट मी गो यू आर हटिंग मी माय मिस्टर क्रोकोडाइल से कहला तू मते हट करछु मु जाउछ हट कोन तू मते ये कर क्रीम दी गोलू चिल्लेला the python who had been quietly following Golu बच्चे से आसला ना came to the bank and said if you do not pull as hard as you can the crocodile will drag you into the stream कहला तू pull कर if you do not pull as hard as you can है तू जोर रे जिते जोर कर पारिबू कर और से ड्रैग कर नबो ड्रैग माने कोन टाणी नबो माउस ड्रैग करंतनी हैं स्ट्रीम स्ट्रीम कोन पानी भीतर नहीं जो स्ट्रीम माने झरना एत किंतु पानी हो बोलो स्टार्ट बैक ऑन हिज लिटिल हंचेस and pulled hunches होची कोन सेही ता hunches माने इथरे बसिला ता जो ओके बैक ता जो बसिला and what happened the crocodile slipped into the water making it all creamy with great sweeps of his tail creamy बुझ पाछो so crocodile slipped माने खसियाला into the water making it all creamy with the great sweep of his tail that tail ले बाड़ी गिरी पूरा creamy कर दला creamy कोन गोलिया कर दला and he also pulled से भी टाणला okay then the python coiled himself round coiled माने ता गुड़े गला था राउंड दी गोलू स्टोमक ये जो गोड़े गला हैला and said let's pull harder ये गला तेन तो गोलू डॉग इननी all his 4 legs in the mud and pulled dog ta kahar past tense digro past tense so purela all his 4 legs in the mud and pulled then tanla the nose kept on stretching tanila nose ta na nose ta dekhi stretch he chalu kept on stretching keep on mane kono keep on mane kono continue keep on mane janchu keep mane rakhiba to pagu rakhiba कीप ऑन माने मु कौन कहली अरे कंटिन्यू करिया हैं समझ नहीं लुक पर माने कौन कहली खोजिबा तो केप्ट ऑन स्ट्रेचिंग स्ट्रेच माने कौन लंबा हैला at each pull of the nose grew longer and longer and it hot Golu. The nose was now 5 feet long, but it was a tree at last. से छाड़देला 5 फुट हो गला पर छाड़ गोलू sat down with his nose wrapped एमती बुले बुले रखिला रोज wrapped up in a big banana leaf तले रखिला and hung it in the great grassy Limpo river to cool. चला his nose wrapped up in and hung it ताको झुलेला to cool. Golu sat there for 2 days waiting for his nose to cool and to shrink. से कहला ताले मो नोज टा टिके कूल हे जिवो आउ कमी जिवो इट ग्रीव कूल हे गला but it did not shrink हैला कमिलन at the end of the second day a fly came and stung Golu on the shoulder हैला स्टॉन्ग टा कार पास टेंस हां गोटे माछी आसिक बिंदी देला मार देला गोलू लिफ्टेड हिज long nose and with it hit the fly dead ये उठे कि मार देला तक एडवांटेज नंबर 1 is the python एटू कहला you could not have done it with a small nose से कहला तू जो मार देलु ताकू फ्लाई टाकू उड़े देलु तो छोटिया नोज थिले तू करि पार न थंतु try and eat a little now बुझि परछो गोलू put out his trunk and plucked a large bundle of grass ହେଲା से बाहर कला एवं ହେଲା ग्रास आनला लायन ये सिंह माने एटा हॉर्न हैला बुझबेला प्लॉक्ड ए लार्ज बंडल माने तोड़िला प्लॉक माने जानछु ऑफ ग्रास तोड़िला he dusted it around against his forelegs and stopped it into his mouth dusted माने कोन पके देला तळे against his four legs आगे रे and stopped it खाइ देला into his mouth पूरे देला stopped it एडवांटेज नंबर 2 पुणी से गाइला किए अरे किए गाइला पाइथन you couldn't have done it with a small nose कौन don't you think the sun is too hot now अच्छा too hot कौन गोलू scooped up some mud से किसी mud आनला from the bank and slapped it on his head ता निज हेड रे फुके देला हला स्लैप्ड फुकाय देला बुझ पाला एडवांटेज नंबर 3 कोडा बोल लिखाई मोर माने माटी ना क्ले बनी माटी कौन लगी एडवांटेज नंबर 3 हिज पाइथन you couldn't have done it with a small nose कौन एडवांटेज नंबर थैंक यू मिस्टर पाइथन सर गोलू ग्रेटफुली माने कौन ताकू से हेल्प करछि बोली ताकू ये रे कहला कि मु ताकू मते हेल्प करछि से मु धन्यवाद ग्रेटफुली ता ऋणी Thank you, Mr. Python. I will remember all this, and now I will go back to my family.